Part 6. Adaptation and Mitigation in North America's California. North America has, and is expected to continue, experiencing climate changes that will increase the temperature, incidence, and duration of severely hot days, and decrease the incidence of temperatures below freezing. These changes will require the evolution of adaptation and mitigative strategies to protect human populations, agriculture, freshwater resources, and natural ecosystems. Focusing in on California as a prime example of increasing heat stress's impacts on agriculture, project a reduction in product yields by 9 to 29% over the course of about 80 years. Additionally, coastal California areas will likely experience issues with ocean acidification and destruction of coral reefs and marine ecosystems. Thus, according to the 4th National Climate Assessment Report, the first line of defense in regard to these changes will be directly related to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. One adaptive strategy North America must focus on is ways to reduce carbon emissions through geoengineering, perhaps through diversifying adaptive crop selections, such as legumes, which yield better in hotter temperatures and aid in reduction of atmospheric carbon dioxide.